All right, guys. So I picked this off. I picked this saw off of eBay. Let me move you guys a little bit. Oh, that's actually pretty good. I picked the saw off of eBay here, and the reason being is because I needed it for a certain application, and I'm hoping it's gonna work for that. So here's the box. So if you're an eBayer, take some pride, guys, in your shipping. Because look at this. This thing is open. Literally, look, watch. This is how it came. Look at this. Look, watch. You ready? This is how this saw came. Look at this. The chain could have just fell out. You see that? Look at that. Look how grimy that thing is. So you're just gonna keep a grimy. It's pretty sharp though. It's pretty sharp, but you're just gonna send a. Maybe you don't care, but I'm not like that when I sell stuff on eBay. I take pride in. I'll pack too much. Look at this. Look at this. This is horrible, dude. I'm gonna have to take a picture. Because if this saw doesn't work, that's kind of a disgrace of boxing. All right, I took my picture. This thing is straight trash. And look at this. I almost just want to return it just because the packaging. So if you guys guess, it's an Echo. Look at that. You like your stuff dirty and packaged nasty? Then buy from this guy. Here it is, look. That's it, guys. Yeah. Really dirty. So I'll probably have a video on cleaning it. See what else is in here. Nothing. Just some random stuff. And this dirty slip. Let's see what it says. Oh yeah. eBay. Oh. So let's see. Did I pay too much, guys? This is a 2511T. Did I pay too much? Because it comes greasy. You guys, is that acceptable nowadays? Because I think it's kind of horrible. All right, there's nothing else in there. Just some Amazon scraps. Let's see if this thing even runs, guys. Put some gas in it. Or let's see what's even in it. Let's look what's in it, guys. Weird smelling bar oil. Old smelling gas. Let's look in here. There's no gas, but it smells so super old. It looks okay in there, from what I can tell. A little condensation. All right, let's squirt some gas in it. Yeah, if you guys are eBaying, man, and buying used stuff, this is what can happen. Hopefully it runs good. There's some spots on it that are kind of chewed up, but I don't care really about the cosmetics. Choke. Start. See if she cranks, guys. Turn you guys a little. There's a bulb. Okay. It looks good. Cranked over. It runs. Seems to run pretty good. So the question is, should we pop off the muffler? I think we should. Let's pop it off, guys. What else are we gonna do, huh? Let's see what we got. Thing is definitely grimy, but it is used, so runs pretty good from what I can tell. The bar seems to be okay, not great. All right, there's one. That's for the cover here. See how it comes off. Does it pop off? I've never messed with this thing before. See if we can get it. Might need to take this one out. Thing is a little puny saw, guys. Thing's so small. I don't know if this one needs to come out, guys. Yep, I guess so. That's it there. All right, let me put these up here so I don't lose them. I need to get another thing for like a little magnet area. Screen seems a hair dirty. Let's test out the screen real quick. Inside looks cleaner than the outside, I'll say that. I don't know how the screen comes out, guys. I'm learning as I'm going, guys, alright? I think it just is pinched in there. Yeah. Screen's not bad. A little bit of carbon. I'll leave it in there. Leave it for now. not a big deal. Put this back. Probably never been out. And then let's get this muffler off. These suckers are on there. These have never been off. To my knowledge, doesn't seem like it. Okay, let's see here. Oh, that thing's on there. I'm just lightly tapping it. Let's see. Oh, I can't get it. I need some torque wrenches. Give it a squirt. Give it a tappy. Oh, I can't get it. Let's see if I can get my impact here. See if this will work. Be easy. Probably helped because I sprayed it. Oh, some dirt in here. All right, let's see what we got. I'm gonna turn the light on here so I can use you guys with the light. There it goes. See if I can see down in there with you guys. Where's my other light? Sorry, I'm all over the place. You guys are just gonna have to take my word for that. Give me 1 sec. Let me see if I can get a look at it. Gotta use you guys. I gotta use my light. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I can't really get a good view in there with you guys, but the ring looks good. The piston looks pretty good. I mean, it looks, I'm trying to describe it. It looks used, but broke in, if that makes sense. It's not all scratched up or like really shiny. It's just kind of hazy looking. So no weird spots or anything like that. So I'd say it's a win so far. So I'm gonna put it back together here. I kind of like it, other than the way it was sent. It was sent horribly packaged, and that's kind of a shame. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should write it on my little review, or do you think I should just leave it alone? And I'm not going to return it. return the saw or anything. The muffler is pretty heavy. Probably could benefit from a mod. But what couldn't benefit from a mod? Yeah, so let me know in the comments, guys, like, would you guys leave it alone? Or would you guys just give him a 5-star? To me, I think he needs to know. Maybe I'll give him a 5-star and then I'll send him a message and be like, hey, your packaging, you know, basically, luckily everything came because the chain was, you know, you saw it. It basically is falling out of the box, man. So me, I don't know. I'm more of a quality, but maybe he's in a rush or maybe he's having a bad day, but what can you do? All right, then I'm just gonna snug these up just a hair, just because it is a muffler. So, all right, so that's good right there. So I'd say it's a success. So let's get this thing. I'm gonna put it together.